Are you sure bringing this here is a good idea? I choose who I am, not you! Relax. It's just a mirror.
Guys, before things get worse, hit like and subscribe so we don't get eaten.
This mirror, it's reacting to our presence. What is this thing? Now, I replace you.
Why is it after me? What are you? I am what you've tried to hide.
It's breaking through! Move!
That's not normal.
You cannot destroy what you created.
Because it's everything I hate about myself.